Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Sagittarius, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, Sagittarius. This is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation. If you want more clarity, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy, guys. So you can stay tuned for that reading, guys. So let's see what are these cards. We have Four of Spheres, Eight of Spheres and Lady of Suns. So in your situation, guys, Sagittarius, it may be in your work situation or in your relationship. So today in your situation, guys, there is someone who is really helping you, guiding you and inspiring you. So this person is someone really talented and knowledgeable, and this person has a great wisdom, experience, and they are guiding you with that. And they are someone kind, compassionate, helpful. This person may be your sibling, parent or a colleague, friend. So they have honest intentions towards you and they are helping you and guiding you in every possible way and supporting you, guys, supporting you in your dreams. And this may be the person you love, and they are someone who is really devoted to you, and this may be this person you love, guys. This may be their energy. So they are someone who stands for their beliefs, ideals, and they are devoted to you, loyal to this relationship, and you are working hard, making efforts, and you are someone really practical, and you make decisions with deep thought. And today in your situation, you are manifesting kindness and harmony, balance in your life. It may be because of this person. So they are inspiring you in a very positive way, and you feel really confident, compassionate, kind to the people around you, and maybe you are helping them or they are helping you. So these energies may be vice versa, guys. And in your work situation, you are seeing success and prosperity. Things are falling into place and you are making the right choices. And it may be this energy may be with this person you love. So they are simply feeling wonderful with you. They are dumbstruck with your beauty or the way you are, the positive vibes they are getting from you. So they are simply feeling inspired and confident with the way you are. Maybe they feel a great attraction towards you, towards your beauty, towards your confidence, skills, talents, or your positive vibes. So that is what I see with these cards, Sagittarius. Let's see what is the card for your relationship. It is Prophetess of Moons in reverse, guys. So in your situation, this may be what this person feels about you or what you feel about them. So today maybe you want to know the truth and you are someone who encourages honesty and freedom, or this person wants you to be really honest and free with them, have that open communication with them. So they are encouraging that open-hearted communication, or they want that open-hearted communication with you, guys. So that is what I see with this card, guys. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. we have Knight of Sons in reverse. So there may be some changes in your work situation, guys. Maybe some carelessness on the part of someone in your work may lead to some difficulties, but it may be something small which you can rectify, guys, Sagittarius. So that is what I see with these cards, Sagittarius. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, you can watch the Pick a Card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and first crystal. This is your second card and second crystal. So whichever card you want to choose, you can first close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds about your situation, then open your eyes and choose the card. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with the first card. So this card is from the Crystal Spirits Oracle. So let's see what is the guidance. So I will keep this card aside and we will see what is the card for y'all. The first card and the crystal, the guidance, Tiger Eye. So this is your crystal guidance, guys. I hope you can see the card here. I will leave the crystal here. So this crystal stands for positive intentions. So whatever we want to manifest in our life today, let it be our career situation or let it be our relationship, when we have positive intentions, it is going to work out in a positive way, guys. And just being interested in someone does not mean that we are going towards marriage or a deep commitment. So you need not have any fear towards knowing someone you are really interested in. Just maybe asking them out or just meeting up with that person does not mean anything great. You can just know them as a friend. Maybe you are having some kind of blocks in your mind. Maybe you have something blocking you from moving towards someone you are interested in. And this crystal guidance is not only having those dreams and fantasies, some wishful thinking. It stands for action. So you can ask them out, maybe spend time with this person you are interested in. And maybe if you are optimistic, if you have positive intentions towards this connection, it may work out well for you guys, and you will not feel sorry for knowing them or going out of the way, maybe taking this first step today in this relationship, today towards this person you are interested in. So with this card, the guidance is that maybe some of you all are just worried or something is holding you back from connecting to someone you are interested in. But you need not fear. You have to let go all your fears and you can move forward, and you will not regret that you took this first step, guys. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose the second card and the second crystal. So let's see what is the card. It is Blue Beard, Taboos. So for those who chose this card, guys, maybe in your situation today, you are maybe in a relationship with someone or you are having a friendship with someone, but you do not know them very well. Maybe they are hiding some secrets, and maybe if it is something small, it is not to worry, but this person may be dangerous. They want you to know only their better qualities, and they are hiding some things evil. Maybe they have evil intentions. And if you have people, your soul family, maybe your friends or family members, who are really concerned about your welfare, who are having positive intentions towards you, and you know them very well, you trust them very well, and if this person is suggesting you certain things, is advising you against this relationship or against this connection, you need to listen to it, guys, and you need to be curious about this person. Maybe if you do not have clarity about what are their intentions, you have to have curiosity, find out what is there in their mind. Maybe your curiosity may help you out of some difficult situation, guys. Maybe holding on to secrets is nothing bad, but if this relationship involves obedience or some kind of punishment, you need to take a step back, think, then make a right decision, guys, for you and for this relationship. Maybe it holds some hidden dangers. You have to be really careful, guys. So that is what I see with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.